Welcome back to the channel, good friends. We are at the Carriage Trade public auto auction searching for more cars for the channel. I'm sitting in the first one. I'm waiting for a jump start. My jump pack has not been charged, so there are people that come around within the Carriage Trade team with vehicles, and they will jump a vehicle if it needs to be jumped, or if the keys accidentally get locked inside, they will open it up for you. You just got to wait your turn. But this one here, the worst part of it is the interior, which I can share how I would bring that back to life. It's a lighter color, so I can show what I choose and how I brighten up lighter colors like white, champagne, silvers. Seems like it takes a little bit more effort to get them to call to your attention, besides the blues and the blacks and the reds, but it can be done. I can show you exactly what I use to bring them back to life and protect them. Let's take a closer look. 2014 Infiniti QX80, 5.6 liter V8. It has the pearl white color and pretty much decent shape, straight all the way around. The corners aren't beat up too bad. It is missing the tow package cover. Minor scratches here and there. Chips. That's the worst of it right there. Good looking vehicle. Door panel in great shape, but this is what I wanted to show you right here. Somebody maybe got too aggressive cleaning it and did a respray. I'll show you how to bring that stuff back to life. Everything else looks really, really good. The wood trim isn't cracked. Steering wheel isn't too worn. I cannot start it. It needs some juice, and that's what we're waiting for. Center console where you rest your arm. Yeah, I mean, it's in really good shape. It's not the backrest of the seats. It's all where you sit on. So I'll show you how to bring them back to life if we win the bid. Look under the hood, 5.6 liter V8. Check the oil. Oof. Is dark, needs to be changed, hasn't been serviced in quite some time. Let's check and see if there's a service sticker. So it has been taken care of at a dealership, so that is good to see. And it's not due till 180. We're at 176, I believe. So somebody was looking after it. Good sign. So this one here does have higher mileage, and I'm going to have discipline. It has probably in the 170s, but that means the top out bidding price is going to be low. And depending on their reserve or buyback bid, we'll see what that is. I do have a number in mind, and I'm going to have the discipline not to go above it. We shall see. I just need to hear it run first. How about a 2015 NX200t Lexus? Gorgeous color. Look at that metallic flake. That'd be sweet to bring that out. Decent shape. There is some damage right here. Tiny SUV. Yeah, overall good shape. There's I don't know if you can see that. There's a couple of those dings. A little bit of transfer from clothing, but 144,000 miles. But look at this interior. It's like a stack right here. Really nice. Got the touch screen pad. Really neat interior. Let's start it up. Unlike the Infiniti, it starts up. What are we greeted with here? That's good to go. Slap the seatbelt on there. We have Eco, Normal, and Sport mode. Oh yeah, right into gear. Have the touchpad. Just touch it and you can see the mouse on the little screen there. This thing is sharp. Huh. This one's going on the list, absolutely. Little 4-cylinder turbo. The turbo stuff always, I like the naturally aspirated stuff, less things to go wrong, but yeah, this is in good shape. We'll keep an eye on it. And what about a 2010 Toyota Tundra? Gorgeous color. 167,000 miles. Some battle scars here and there, obviously. Wheels need to be refinished. Frame is okay. Starting to scale a little bit. Has the bed liner. Take a look on the other side. Of course, headlights need some restoration. Another battle scar there. Take a look at the inside. Well, not too bad. Good shape. All right, we got the key in it. Let's fire it up. Again, 167,000 miles. Starts right up. No, what do we have here? Maintenance required. Time for an oil change. Aftermarket head unit. Let's get some heat going in here. For Pete's sake. Ah, somebody's had it running yet. Immediately comes on. Yeah, this thing's in great shape. This is going to go on the list as well. What about an 87 Sierra Classic 1500? 70,000 miles. Nice patina. Even has a little bit of PPF on there from 20 years ago. Bed liner. Long bed. There's that small block V8. Don't see a valve cover leak. Power brake. Let's fire it up. That'd be fun bringing that back to life. All right, give it a couple 1987 pumps. See if it fires up. Oh yeah. Purrs like a kitten. Aftermarket head unit, about as old as the vehicle. Oh, it goes right into gear. This one is definitely, without a doubt, going on the list. Wish it had a little bit more fuel, but okay. We're back at the shop, nice and warm. The puppy's happy to be back. She's ready for a nap. It's been a long day. Guys, the reason the reason I go to all of these auctions in person or Copart, IAA, and I'll have footage of going to all of these spots for picking up vehicles, is to look at them and look into them in person and do everything you can within the rules of each location. Like with Carriage Trade, you can bring your OBD2, you can bring a jump start unit, you can go front and back, you can start them up. This one here had a dead battery, and these here, they're very sensitive. They have 12-volt issues. If the battery isn't fully charged and right in line with the electrical system, it will throw fits. And that's exactly what it was doing for everybody the whole day. I came back to this thing about 3 times. If I find something that catches my attention, looking up and down the pre-auction list, I will do research, heavy research on the vehicle, each one. And I found on this one, it's very, very touchy, along with Audi and Mercedes when it comes to the battery getting below a certain point. It just throws fits all over the place. And what happened in this case is it locked out the ignition, a relay or something. So I went in. The Carriage Trade has a bunch of excellent mechanics with their own OBD2. He came out, had it reset. We started it up. I got to hear it. Sounds beautiful for the mileage. Yes, the mileage is a little high, but no knocks, no ticks, no noise whatsoever, very smooth. And we shut it down. I went into the auction. By the time you shut it down, you can't get it started again. I had to put a new battery in here. So I may have been the only one the whole day who got to hear it run. I only had 2 bidding against me, and after buying the vehicle, tax, transfer, fees, under $4,000. You can't beat that. Even with the higher mileage, I should be able to double my money. So I'm excited about this one here. With the lighter color, I want to show you what I use to brighten up these colors and grab your attention. Not the easiest colors to get people's attention and to get you to look at them when you're walking by, but I'll show you exactly what I use. The interior needs help. We're going to take a closer look at this in the next video. We'll do a walk around, I'll take it for a ride, and I'll show you everything it needs. And excited to jump on this one too. It's going to have to wait its turn. We are starting to get quite the collection. But this has been Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. Catch you in the next video.